Aruvakkode in Nilambur is one of the villages chosen to be a part of the experiential tour packages offered by the RT Mission in Malappuram district. It is one of the 20 heritage villages in Kerala. The traditional occupation along these parts is pottery and earthenware production. Quite interestingly, the ancestors of these very potters were the ones who moved here to make traditional earthenware and pots for the palace and the temples that surround it. A multitude of mouth-watering dishes ranging from crispy savouries to decadent desserts await you here at Ponnani. This journey is a step into the diverse tastes of the region that is sure to leave anyone mesmerized. One can visit the Kalari, where youngsters practice their skills and know more about Kerala's traditional martial art. After all, Ponnani is the land where legendary tales are aplenty of brave warriors who lost their lives during the Mamangam. Renowned for its ancient religious shrines, serene beaches, and calm and composed hamlets, Ponnani has a vibe which is truly unique even for God's own country. It resembles a river as it flows to the tunes of some long-lost Sufi song. Everything is so melodious, and everyone who visits is definitely engulfed by it. Come evening, and Ponnani is a place of enchantment where ghazals, Sufi, and qawwali music waft through the air. Tourists can also participate in activities and try their hand at braiding the pieces of coir together to make ropes. Those who want an offbeat experience can head to Kadir Farm, where horse safaris and coracle rides await. There are many types of pets and birds at Kadir Farm. A walk through the farm is like a journey back in time with a country boat and a water wheel on display as a reminder of the agricultural society that Kerala once was.